Welcome back to our series on basic trading concepts. In this episode, we're exploring two fundamental terms in the trading world: bull and bear markets. Understanding these concepts is crucial for navigating the ups and downs of the stock market. The terms bull and bear describe market trends that reflect the state of the economy and investor sentiment. Let's dive into what each of these terms means and their implications. A bull market refers to a market condition where prices are rising or expected to rise. This period is characterized by optimism, investor confidence, and expectations of strong results. For example, the period following the 2008 financial crisis saw a prolonged bull market driven by economic recovery and investor optimism. In a bull market, you'll typically see widespread gains in stock prices across various sectors. Investors are willing to invest more, anticipating future profits. Conversely, a bear market is marked by falling prices and typically reflects economic downturns or financial crises. It's a period filled with investor pessimism and uncertainty. A historical example is the dot-com bubble burst in the early 2000s, where excessive speculation in tech stocks led to a massive market crash. In bear markets, it is common to observe broad decreases in stock values. Investors might sell off assets, seeking to minimize losses or shift to safer investments like bonds. Both bull and bear markets are part of the natural economic cycle. Understanding these patterns helps investors make informed decisions. For example, long-term investors might see bear markets as opportunities to buy stocks at lower prices, while short-term traders may act more cautiously. Recognizing the signs of bull and bear markets is a valuable skill for any trader or investor. It's all about interpreting market trends and sentiment to navigate the complex world of investing. Exciting topics await in our Basic Trading Concepts series. Join us as we deepen your insights into the financial markets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.